Hello, my dear learners. I welcome you all in your Easy Learning with Kalpana classes, and I hope you all are fine and studying well. Today, we are going to read a chapter from your first flight book of 10th class, and the name of the chapter is 100 Dresses, Part 1. So, let's start the chapter. First, we will begin with the introduction. This story, The Hundred Dresses, was written in 1944 by Eleanor Esther. The story is based on her own experiences while she was studying in her elementary school, where she had a classmate who was very poor and was teased by the other students because she wore the same dress to school every day and because she, like the character Vanda in the story, had Polish last name that was almost unpronounceable. स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो राइटर एलेनर एस्टर हैं उनके खुद के एक्सपीरियंसेस पे बेस्ड स्टोरी है। जब वो अपने एलिमेंट्री स्कूल में पढ़ती थी और उनकी क्लास में भी वेंडा जैसी एक लड़की पढ़ती थी जिसका लास्ट नेम जो था वो काफ़ी अनप्रोनाउंसिएबल था and she was wearing only the same dress and that is why she was teased by the other students. Okay, let's start the summary. The story is about a quiet and shy girl named Vanda Petronuski, a Polish immigrant who has come to America with her family. So, first, we will go to the background of the story. There was a time when many migrants from Polish culture came to America and settled there. So, this story is about a Polish girl who settled in America and she was very quiet and shy girl. Her name was Vanda Petronuski. She sits beside not so studious students at the last bench of her class. It is so because she has no friends. She lives in a poor town and she has quite different and rather funny name from the other classmates of her, and therefore the other American children find her name quite funny and probably the weirdest in the classroom. This is because they all have easier names. एंड जैसा कि आपको पता है कि अमेरिकन नेम्स जो होते हैं वो काफ़ी इजी होते हैं टू प्रोनाउंस एंड एज वेंडा वॉज अ पॉलिश गर्ल शी हैज़ अ नेम according to her culture and ethnicity. That is why it was little bit difficult to pronounce, and therefore students, small kids, found it difficult to pronounce and they started making fun of her name. Peggy and Maddie especially make fun of her because although she wears only one blue feather dress, but used to tell them that she has 100 dresses at home all lined up in her closet. Actually, Peggy or Maddie वो भी classmate थे वेंडा के, but they were taking a special interest in making fun of Vanda because Vanda used to tell them that she has 100 dresses in her home at her home all lined up in her closet. एंड एज शी वॉज वेयरिंग ओनली वन ड्रेस तो वो उसका ज़्यादा मजाक बनाती थी बिकॉज दे फेल्ट दैट शी इज़ टेलिंग लाई. It is quite apparent that Vanda has only one dress and she tells lie, and this is the reason of Peggy's curiosity. Therefore, she asks the same question again and again from Vanda. Peggy and Maddie used to wait for Vanda before school even if it means getting late. Maddie, a poor girl herself, doesn't like when Peggy make fun of Vanda because she feels that she may be her next target. यहाँ पे याद रखना होगा कि मैडी जो खुद भी एक काफ़ी पुअर बैकग्राउंड से बिलोंग करती है उसको पेगी का वांडा का मजाक बनाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन वो उसको कुछ कह नहीं पाती क्योंकि उसको इस बात का डर है कि वो अगर कुछ बोलेगी तो पेगी की फ्रेंडशिप लूज़ कर सकती है. She wants Peggy to stop teasing Vanda but never dares to say so as she fears to lose Peggy's friendship. However, Peggy is also not a bad girl at all, but she is actually curious to know why Vanda has to tell lie about her own 100 dresses, even though it is evident to everyone that she has only one dress. पेगी यहाँ पे एक्चुअली रॉन्ग नहीं है, वो बुली नहीं है, बट वो शायद इरिटेटेड है वेंडा के आंसर से, बिकॉज उसके ड्रेस से क्लियर है कि वो उसके पास सिर्फ एक ही ड्रेस है, बट शी यूज टू टेल एवरीबडी दैट शी हैज़ 100 ड्रेसेस ऑल लाइंड अप इन हर क्लोजेट। तो इस वजह से वो उसके अंदर क्यूरियोसिटी है, वाई शी इज़ टेलिंग दिस लाई। Vanda remains absent from school for many days and it goes unnoticed even by Peggy and Maddie, who used to wait for her to mock at her. आपको पता ही है कि वेंडा के बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे, इसलिए जब वो एब्सेंट होती है, काफ़ी दिनों तक स्कूल से एब्सेंट रहती है, तो वो अननोटिस जाता है, कोई इस बात पे नोटिस नहीं करता, कोई ध्यान नहीं देता है। और इवन पैगी और मैडी जो उसका वेट करते हैं उसका मजाक बनाने के लिए, वो भी इस चीज़ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते हैं कि वो काफ़ी दिनों से स्कूल नहीं आ रही है। One day, when Maddie and Peggy are eagerly waiting for the result of a drawing competition held in their school, they come to know that Vanda Petronsky has won that contest, as she has drawn really very beautiful 100 dresses all lined up in the class. Then the girls realize that they misjudged Vanda and feels very guilty for never believing her stories of 100 dresses. One day, as they were waiting for a result for competition, drawing competition held in their school, and Maddie assumed that Peggy is going to win this competition as she was very good in drawing. But surprisingly, Vanda won this competition because she drew 100 beautiful dresses and all dresses were worth of winning first prize. And by seeing Vanda winning this prize, then these girls realized that actually while she was telling these about these dresses, she was conceiving about the design of these dresses and they perhaps misjudged that girl. But as she was absent from the school, they couldn't say anything and they were feeling very guilty for their misbehavior. That is all from this chapter. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel Easy Learning with Kalpana Classes. And thank you very much for watching this video. I will keep bringing some more videos for you to learn easily. Thank you.